All right, so the trench is clearing out. We just blew all the dirt that when you're dumping dirt in a bucket of a mini loader, you're going to have dirt that falls on the plywood. So little tip for the contractors and the DIY: blow off the grass and blow off the plywood. Just blow those little dirt clods in the trench. It's not going to hurt a thing. Now your plywood is clean. You can go back to working on it with stone. Put your fabric in. You can see we got a blind inlet here, blind inlet there, another blind inlet. So we got blind inlets that we're going to be putting in on this job to take the bulk water. We got sheet water coming off of the deck here. We got sheet water off the balcony, and that water all comes down here. So we're doing an open French drain right along here. We're going to take care of this water problem. You can see there's a water problem here. All right, guys, until the next video.